Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I make this baked fish dinner recipe. It's inspired by a trip I took and I wanted to make it and show it to you guys. Now first I'm going to make the carrot salad, which is one of my favorite sides when I used to live in Jamaica, and even over here my mom still makes it. It's so good and so delicious and very few ingredients. It's just carrots and basically similar to the potato salad dressing. So you want to shred your carrot. I prefer fresh carrot because I just feel like the texture is better in this case. So I added my golden raisins, my pineapple bits, my sugar, my apple cider vinegar, and some mayo. And I'm also going to add a dash of cinnamon and a dash of salt, and that's pretty much it. You want to make this first, or make this ahead, so that it can sit in the refrigerator and do its thing, hang out and marinate. And y'all, it's so good. I love it so much. And even though I love the fish, I was looking forward to eating the carrot salad because I love it so much. I haven't had it in a long time. Now let's make the marinade for the fish. Alright, so in my mixer I already have scallions. I'm adding some ginger paste, or you can use fresh. I'm using some pesto because it has that garlic note, the oil. I have a habanero here, or a scotch bonnet, whichever you can get your hands on. Don't use the seeds, only use the outsides of the pepper because it will be too hot. A bunch of fresh thyme and some seasoning. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. So you want to blitz this all the way down to make a paste, and this is what we're going to season the fish with. So here I have 2 snappers that I washed up really well. They look half dead because I washed them in vinegar and lemon juice. Y'all know I wash everything. So I made some slits because we are going to put lemon there. And then you just want to brush your marinade all over. If you don't have the brush, just use your hands. Use some gloves and you're good to go. Now I'm going to take some lemon slices and put them down into the slits. Now please be careful. If you use your hands to do the fish, make sure you use gloves because you have that pepper in there. This is the fish in the pan. I'm going to pop it in the oven. I don't have a baking pan, y'all, so I got to use this. And this is what it looks like out the oven, 400 degrees, 30 minutes. Everyone's stove is different, so just make sure it looks like mine before you take it out. It should be nice and golden. Your lemon should be golden around the edges, and you're good to go. And I'm just gonna show you guys what the whole plate looks like. And this is what it looks like. Look at the fish, you guys. Oh my God, it just looks so good. Don't y'all start with me about this rice. I got too many rice recipes on here. Don't y'all start, okay? And that's the carrot salad over there. And this is a cell phone footage. I wanted y'all to see it with plain cell phone sight. This is how juicy the fish is, even though it's baked. Yes, you can overcook whole fish. Don't bake this fish forever. It's nothing worse than overcooked snapper. Now, the other one's cool. Snapper, don't do it, y'all. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.